Pause the videotape myself working on the truck. So like today's project, I'm gonna be welding the diff shut and a little hard body.
You want something how to take this big old plug out first?
I mean, all you gotta do is fucking take your wheel off. I mean, if you can't get to that point, you shouldn't be welding your axles shut. Yeah, you take the drum off, like so. And then, you're gonna have to disconnect your brake line. Yeah.
That is?
Yeah. And then hopefully, you can take these 4 bolts out the back.
Can you even see it?
Oh, give me my flashlight. Alright. Yeah, disconnect your brake line. And then the 4 bolts around. And then you should be able to pull your axles out. I'm hoping and get away without not hooking this, unhooking this bullshit. And like, just pull it out a little bit, you know? Yeah. And I can take my differential out. And then we're gonna ghetto weld that shit. And then we're gonna do mad skids. We're gonna do mad burnouts. Some mad burnies. Alright. After you're done unbolting your shit, these 4 bolts here, you should be able to pull this out. You don't really need to pull it all the way out. You can just kind of pull it out if you feel it disconnect. And you can just kind of let it hang.
So let it hang that again?
Huh?
Hang.
Just let it hang.
Oh, wow.
Both sides. And next you gotta obviously drain your fluid out.
At the bottoms of this.
Yeah, the bottom. And then you gotta take these bolts out of your fucking drive shaft here. I mean, obviously I pre-loosened this. I mean, I shouldn't do this.
What size is that?
I believe these are 14s. Yes, they're 14s. And then this should like come out, hopefully. These bolts out like so. And I guess like that. Just put on top of my custom muffler.
Might as well just put on top of them.
Just put on top of your custom muffler. And next, I guess we gotta disconnect all these sensors up here. I don't know what these are. Price sensors. Tell them about. Where the hell does it go?
Oh, that's not rusty.
Yes, it's rusty ass bitch. I don't know how. I was hoping I could pull it out, but it's got like this gay ass bracket on the top, and like it's like rusted to fuck.
God, these hands are ugly as fuck.
Yeah. I used to be a hand model when I was like 17.
Yeah?
Yeah. At least that's what the guy told me. I mean, I've never seen anything.
What they compare you? We need the bad example one?
Yeah. This is what your hands look like before the cream.
So your hands look like... Your hands got more cracks than the wrinkles on my balls? You getting the sensor out? Is it stuck in there?
It's like stuck in this.
Rusted in?
I'm trying to like break it so I can get it out.
Yeah. Oh God, I can't see.
Yeah. Is it something with gas? Like I smell gas. Like it's
It's leaking some. Look inside, see that? Dude, where your chin is. Dude, where your chin is. The residue is like on your chin. Look up, yeah.
It's probably leaking in the same spot my other truck is.
It's rubbing your beer off fucking gas.
I like it. Oh, I think maybe we can eat. Okay, I got the little bracket out. Take the speed sensor out, whatever the hell it is. And then you're gonna take all the bolts out around the differential.
Now watch Isaac tackles against a mighty beast.
I think. What the fuck fell out? Oh god, this thing's heavy.
Oh,
Oh god, this thing's heavy. Oh god, this thing's heavy. Oh.
it's the inside of it.
See, this gear turns this gear. These
So
are
what?
spider gears.
Oh, that's spider gears.
Yeah, see? So basically we got a weld between here, here, and here, and across. You don't want this to turn anymore.
Oh.
That's what lets it slip. That's what lets the other wheel go the other way. So we're gonna make sure we clean this really well. So the welds will actually stick. And we're gonna blowtorch the piss out of it.
Alright, what happened?
Basically you gotta make yourself a little plate like this.
Oh, plate?
And it fits in between everything.
Wow.
Like perfectly. And you're gonna weld the piss out of it all the way around the lip.
Wow, a rectangular plate. It sits right there.
Out of some steel. Don't ask me what size it is because I don't fucking know what size the steel is, but like something like this thick.
Say again, this thick? Let me see.
Thick.
Let me compare it.
Like that thick.
Oh, I see.
Like that fucking thick, bro.
Oh, it's hot. Oh, wow.
Yeah, I've been grinding at it.
Oh, wow.
You really should like measure it. But see, I've been like just cutting a little bit and cutting a little bit. Honestly, if I redid it, I probably would use a piece of tape. You know what I'm saying? But whatever. Too late now.
Yeah, we don't have time for that.
I ain't got time for that because I'm fucking building drift cars, you know? Got mad drift events to go to.
It's gonna break anyway.
It's probably gonna break, so that's why I'm not really gonna put too much effort into it. So if I don't put too much effort in it, it might actually survive. You know what I'm saying? Like that's what I've learned over the years of working on cars. If you don't put an effort in anything, it just works. You know?
Okay, if you guys follow me this way.
How should I do this? Should I do it like that? Or is it too stupid? It might work. It might work. Let's do it that way.
But it's better to put on the glasses.
Oh gosh.
Oh, it's called Haggard resonance. Yeah.
I'll measure like once and cut 3 times.
Yeah, well, those two together, right?
No. One's for the other side.
Oh.
Reheating it. My welder's a piece of shit.
So it is
Don't
just
do
like
that, man.
He sparked it, sprayed it from like feet away.
Really preheat like this, I
It's very tempting to touch. Is it time, Zach? Is it
Might
time? Is it time?
I might heat it up a little more.
I'm gonna be hovering your back like an angel.
How's it looking? Wow!
Might work.
Sure it's work. Every time you use this fucking piece of shit,
Yeah, I think
everything breaks.
Round 2. Let's see the damage.
I mean,
It's not bad.
not too shitty. I think I might just go over top of that a couple
Yeah.
times. It might actually work. This thing on VTech. Just let it be.
Make sure you guys clean it.
Yeah, like clean really well. I clearly didn't do it good enough because it's like splattering really bad, but
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
yeah.
It's not pretty.
But it looks like it's fucking in there. I mean,
Yeah, it looks like it's gonna hold.
Over the other sides.
I'm going to. They're doing like 2 passes.
How's it looking, Zach?
Well, Haggard's
How's
garage
it
guy,
looking?
so-
Yeah, fucking Haggard Garage can do it. Why can't I?
These balls kind of look.
These balls are suspect too, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Alright. Where'd that go? Well, Zach, can you take a minute and like help me hold the glass?
Oh, what the fuck's Rico doing here? What's Rico doing here? You got it? Don't open the door for that asshole. Fuck.
That's him. Hey, get this.
Like the sides look good, like here. But like
Yeah, I
here's
mean
a
after you
bitch.
clean it up,
Like in the corner, it's hard.
Oh my
to
god,
get,
dude. Yeah, that's gonna fall off and like
destroy my
No,
differential.
just go over it one more time. What are you gonna do now, Seth?
Overlap.
Overlap.
Welds.
Overlap.
Shitty welds.
Come on, you got this. You got this.
Rein-
We got this.
Reinforce is the correct word.
Yeah. Yeah. Maybe.
Yeah. Dunno.
Like a smaller like brush.
Yeah, you do.
I didn't think it'd be this tight in there.
It's like
Suspect.
how's the other side starting out?
Getting there.
Oh, looks better than the first one. Solid. This was more even.
Yeah, that's a better. I can get the sides.
This one came out clean.
There we go. Got second.
Oh, man, how are you gonna get that little corner? Huh?
I don't know. I really think this out.
Old, right?
Yeah, maybe. Suspect.
What did it come out saying? Is that it?
Fuck,
Is that it?
We're just gonna let it eat.
Is that it?
Well, I guess so. We're gonna let that shit eat. This point no return.
Hey, you want to tell them what you did same time?
We'll put it all back together now.
Yeah, but the complications
Oh
part.
yeah, make sure you fucking put the differential back in straight. It is a circle, so it goes in whichever way you want it to go in.
So we're using this AutoZone fluid.
Fuck, man.
Dude, come on. Don't make a mess of my arm.
Okay.